Hello and welcome back to Survival 101. Today we're going to show you how to build a Quinzee. Quinzee is a snow cave which can be used as an emergency shelter. If you're out in the woods, you would just hopefully you'd have a shovel like this which breaks down. You can strap to your backpack, so if you're in that survival situation, you can carry that with you. So the idea is to pile up a heap of snow like we've got here. Okay. And once it's been piled up, it needs to sit for 2 hours in a process called sintering, so it all packs down and solidifies together. When you've done that, you can start building the snow shelter. But first of all, you need some sticks like this, about 1 foot long. And what you do is push them in the snow, put them all around the snow cave. And that gives you like a depth gauge. So when you're start to dig out the snow shelter, once you see these on the inside, then you know you've reached the depth that you need to, or you've dug out as much as you should. That's to maintain the wall thickness and the strength of the snow shelter. So I'll just put a few more of these in here, just to give you a bit of an idea of how this goes. How many you need of these depends on how big you need the snow shelter to be. Are you just using it as emergency for one night, which you just build a small snow cave, or if there's 2 of you and you want it for like a couple of days maybe, you dig it out a lot bigger inside. And you can bring branches from fir trees inside, bring it in, so you've got a bit of a comfortable base, and then maybe you have some blankets and sleeping bags you can put on the ground. So now we'll just start to dig out the entrance to the snow shelter. So this is really just all I'm going to do today on this. It's just to show you the basics really of the snow cave, or the Quinzee. So just looking down, I don't know if you can see, but the light's a bit flat today, but I've dug out about the body length there. And there's some sides at the side here as well, which would help protect you as well. Probably not too bad for a night's sleep in here. Probably need to dig out the roof a bit more, go in a bit deeper, so I can get my shoulders and head in further as well. But I've got these side banks of snow there that would help protect me from the wind. So that's all there is for now. If you can find somewhere you can practice doing this, then please do. It's always good to go out and practice these techniques before you actually need them. It is a lot of work, I won't sugarcoat it. There's a lot of hard work if you have just a flat patch of snow and you have to start heaping it up first, then waiting 2 hours, and then you have to actually dig it out as well. So yeah, it's pretty hard work, depending on how big you want to make the snow cave. Okay, that's all for now, and keep learning, keep getting out there and practicing what you learn, and we'll see you next time on Survival 101.